This step-by-step tutorial guides you through setting up account groups, tailoring reports like income statements, and printing them for various business needs. Start by navigating to the Workspace menu, select Accounting, and then choose General Ledger. Click on the Group button to enter the group view. In the group view, click the Accounts Group field. Then select Create Chart of Account Group. Enter a name for your report in the Group Name field. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to create a simplified income statement. From the General Ledger tree on the left, we'll double-click on the categories Income, Costs, and Expenses to include them in the report. To customize your report further, we can remove specific accounts. Expand the accounts by clicking on the plus icon or the triangle next to a category. Right-click on any account and select Remove Account. To remove an entire category, right-click on the category and choose Remove Category. This will remove all the accounts within it. Once satisfied with your selections, click Save to save your custom report. To print your custom report, click on the Report button. Choose your preferred report layout from the available options. Enter the date range for your report. Click OK, and then select your printing preferences from the Print dialog box. With the General Ledger Custom Report feature, you can create an unlimited number of reporting groups, tailored to your specific needs. Whether for internal analysis or external audits, this powerful tool offers you the flexibility to generate fully customized reports that align with your unique business requirements. Thank you for watching.